Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through 11 WhatsApp tricks that you should try. So just go to WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp, if you just long press on an app like this, and if you click the top right three-dot icon, and if you just click on lock chat, you can just lock the chat by your fingerprint. And here you can see the lock chats from here. And if you want to unlock it, just long press on it, click the top right three-dot icon and click on unlock chat, give a fingerprint. Now another one is just go to your conversation, and if you want to just create any sticker, just click the emoji icon beside message. And the third option here, this one is a sticker. You can just create a sticker. You can just create a sticker by your avatar. If you click on calls here, and you will see an option create call link. If you click on it, you can just create a call link. You can share this link by copying link, or you can just share this link by clicking share link. And you can share this link with various kind of apps, various platforms. If you click the bottom right this icon here, and here you can see new contact. If you click on it, and if you just save any number, it will be saved to your direct phone. You can also choose another email from here, any Gmail you want. You can also select phone. If you click the top left, the three human icon, you can start a community here. You click on start your community. You can click the bottom to get started, and you can just give a community name. You can select the community photo, and after creating a community, you can just invite people here. In the top middle updates option, you will see my status. You can just share status, and the status will be seen by who we have a number. In your phone settings, if you just go to privacy, and if you just scroll down, here you will see fingerprint lock, this option. Click on it. You can just unlock fingerprint lock by clicking this option. Just give your fingerprint. You can choose whenever the lock will go or off. Now another thing is you can just put two-step verification. So for that, click on account, and here you can see two-step verification. Click on it. Just click the bottom turn on, and you need to just create a 6-digit pin. If you want to delete your WhatsApp account, you can do it. So for that, go to account, and in the bottom here you can see delete account. Click on it. You need to just confirm it, so you need to just give your phone number and click this red delete account. You can also add your others account in WhatsApp. So for that, click on account, and here you can see add account, the second last option. Click on it, and in the bottom here you can see add account. Click on it, and just clicking agree and continue. You need to give the account details, and you can just log in. If you click on chats, and if you just click on wallpaper, you can change your wallpaper. So click on change. You can change your wallpaper from photos, bright and dark. If you choose on bright like this, you can choose any of these, just like I'm choosing this one. You can select set wallpaper in the bottom, and the wallpaper is set. Now if you just check for any conversation, here you can see the wallpaper is set. If you have a lot of files, just like photos, videos in your WhatsApp, you can just backup whenever it is need. So just go to chats, and in the bottom here you can see this option here, chat backup. Click on it. If you want to backup it, just click on backup, and if you want to just select backup to Google Drive, click on it, and you can just select daily, weekly, monthly. And if you want to just select Google account, click on it, and you can just select the Google account that you want to backup. You can also choose include videos. So for that, click the bottom include videos or not. If you want to transfer your chat history to another Android phone, you can do it. So go to chats, scroll, and here you can see chats, transfer chats. Click on it. Click on start, continue, give all the permissions. And you need to just scan the other phone's QR code. If you're not good at English language and if you want to run WhatsApp in your language, you can do it. Here you can see app language, click on it, and you can just choose the languages here. There are a bunch of languages. You can choose WhatsApp in your language. If you want to silence unknown callers on your WhatsApp, you can do it. So for that, go to your privacy option and scrolling, here you can see calls option, click on it and just turn on this option. If you turn on this option and some unknown number calls you, you can just silence the numbers. If you want to select that who can add you in any group, you can just do it. So for that, you need to just go to your privacy and scroll, and here you can see groups, click on it. If you select everyone, then everyone will be able to add you in their groups. So just select my contacts. You can change the WhatsApp notification tones. So click on notification, and here you can see notification tone, click on it. You can choose the tone from your music. Just click on your music file manager and just choose it. So guys, these are the 11 WhatsApp tricks. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.